Today, I'll show you how to add a motion trails effect perfect for music videos, dance clips, or any moment where you want to highlight fast movement with a stylish visual echo. Let's get started. Open your video project in InShot and choose the clip where you want to apply the effect. This works especially well if there's a lot of motion, like dancing, hand gestures, or jumps. Next, tap on Effect from the bottom toolbar. Now, make sure you're in the Effect tab and scroll to find AI Effects. Inside IFX, go over to the Clone tab. From there, choose the Shadow effect. Once applied, you'll notice a trailing shadow that follows the subject's movements, creating a smooth and dynamic motion trail. Use the value slider to control how strong or long the trails appear. Drag it to the right to increase the intensity for a more dramatic look, or keep it subtle by staying near the middle. When you're happy with the result, just tap the check mark to apply it. And that's it. You've added a motion trail effect using InShot's shadow clone effect. Great for adding rhythm and movement to your edits. If you enjoyed this quick tip, don't forget to like the video, share it with friends, and hit that subscribe button for more InShot editing tricks.